Kassie, you are single-handedly the best thing that has ever happened in my life. Every day since the day that I met you has been the best day of my life. We've been together for over 5 years now, and you still find a way to make me happier every day than the day you did before. We have been through a lot together, and we have always come up through the other side a stronger couple. I have no doubt that we can make it through anything together.
Ever since the day that I met you 5.5 years ago, you've made me feel whole. Things with you have made sense, and it felt so simple and right since the very first day we met. You've taught me that home is not a place, but a feeling. You've taught me to cherish every single moment that we have together and to laugh as often as we can. Thank you for making me feel loved on the hardest days, for reminding me to brush off the things that don't really matter, and for making me feel like the luckiest woman alive every single day.
In our relationship, I will strive to make you as happy as you have made me. And I will try to make you happy, and I will always make light of a bad situation. I will support you in whatever decisions that you make. I will be there by your side to laugh in the good times, and I will be by your side to be the rock in the hard times. I will love you unconditionally. I will be the best person that I can be for you, and I will forever be honest with you. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with somebody as amazing and as special as you are. I love you.
As for the future, there is so much I want to promise you. I promise to support you in every single choice that you make and to stand by you during all that you choose to do. I promise to be your biggest supporter and voice of encouragement through all you accomplish in your bright future. I promise to hold your hand through any other bizarre catastrophe that life throws at us and to laugh with you about it once we made it out alive. I promise to love you unconditionally every single day for the rest of our lives. I could go on and on about all that I want to promise you, but to sum it up, I promise to do everything I can to make you as happy as you make me. I can't wait to be your wife and to start our forever together. I love you.